Hello, this is the SAMSON Abdominal Support 9 inches, a clinically designed, high-quality support for abdominal stability and comfort. Available in multiple sizes. Please refer to the size chart on screen. Remove the product carefully from its packaging. Ensuring the label side faces outward, place the abdominal support around your waist. Aligning the center panel with your abdomen. Secure the main Velcro strap firmly across the front, ensuring even compression without tightness. To remove the product, release the Velcro strap slowly and unwrap it from around your waist in a relaxed posture. The SAMSON Abdominal Support 9 inches is suggested for use in the following cases. Please consult a medical professional for proper guidance. SAMSON, trusted by professionals, designed for you.